Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a bit of a special one. A full 2.5-year journey from an absolute jungle of a plot to a productive little haven that's feeding our family and bringing us so much joy. Whether you're about to take on your first allotment or you're in the thick of tackling your own plot, I hope our story gives you inspiration and a few laughs. When we first got the keys to the plot, we walked in and just stood there. Honestly laughed. Nettles, brambles, etc. It was like the land had been untouched for years. No beds, no sheds, no sign of what had been there before. It felt exciting though. This big wild blank canvas, of course. Back then I had no clue how much work it would take. Spoiler, it took a lot. The first few months were all about just reclaiming the ground, cutting back the brambles, strimming everything down, digging up massive root systems. I remember thinking, how do people do this for fun? One mistake I made, trying to do everything at once. I was trying to clear the whole plot in one go, rather than working in sections. Rookie move. It's so much better to work in manageable zones. Tackle one bed at a time, lay weed membrane, use cardboard and mulch as a quick fix. Eventually we got the first couple of beds dug and planted, and seeing our first shoots, it made everything feel worth it. That full first growing season was full of learning. We grew all the classics, courgettes, runner beans, potatoes. The yields weren't amazing, but the sense of achievement massive. We also learned the hard way about spacing, watering, and the joys of slug warfare. Here's some quick tips. Don't overcrowd your beds. Protect young plants. Mulch, mulch, and mulch. I also discovered how much I love planting. I had spreadsheets, diagrams, and planting plans. Did I follow them? Not really, but I felt very organised. The biggest turning point came when we started to really structure the plot. We added proper wood chip paths and pallets to make compost bins and started building raised beds. The wood chip paths were a game changer, not just because they look nice, but because they help with the weed control and give the whole plot a clean, walkable feel. It finally felt like an actual garden, not just a weed-filled patch of land. And then life happened. Work, kids, weather, it all got on top of us. And before we knew it, the weeds were back with a vengeance. It was honestly disheartening. It felt like we'd undone all our progress. But I've learnt is that this is normal. Everyone goes through these phases. Don't beat yourself up. Focus on what is working. Start fresh and small sections again. So we regrouped and got stuck back in, and slowly but surely took it back. Coming back stronger was the best feeling. This time we approached it smarter, more mulch, more structure, better planning, and importantly more rest days. We're now producing more than ever. Carrot, squash, tomatoes. We're also getting better at succession planting and using a whole year to our advantage. Tips from this season: plan for autumn winter crops, use perennial planting for less work, keep a little area wild for the bees and bugs. After 2.5 years, here's what I've learned. Start small, focus on one bed or crop at a time. Protect your time, don't burn out. Weeds are forever but manageable. Structure helps. Pathways, edging and compost bays. Grow what you love, not just what's trendy. Make it beautiful. If you love how it looks, you'll want to spend time there. Celebrate progress, even the tiniest bit counts. This little plot has taught me so much, not just about growing food, but about patience, persistence, and the magics of starting over. If you're thinking about getting a plot, do it. If you're in the weeds, literally hang in there. It gets better, and it's so worth it. Let me know in the comments what's the biggest lesson you've learnt from your own garden or allotment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a bit of allotment encouragement today.